This video is the unboxing of the Excell 2-gallon oil-free air compressor from Amazon. It arrived in about 2 days, which is pretty amazing on itself. You can see the package is slightly damaged, but that's to be expected from UPS or other couriers. Nobody's perfect. A little bit of damage to the styrofoam. Got the user's manual and what looks like an air filter. The machine itself, on first glance, doesn't appear to have any damage to it. Got a 6-foot cord. Pressure gauge is intact. Other pressure gauge is intact. There's a little tag on the side right here in that port. It says to remove the plug and install the air filter. Which I probably need some Teflon tape. We'll just use this little guy that came free with a different project. I can't seem to find my big stash. So let's get this wrapped up. All right. Nice and easy threads. Actually kind of surprised considering it's plastic going into metal. Threads down pretty nice. I'm really impressed with the fittings and everything that are on here. It seems very well constructed. Let's give her a plug. And we'll switch her on right here. I am pretty shocked with how quiet it is. I will definitely be using this on my next home install, which is pretty much the purpose I bought it for. But as you can see, I can set this down in the client's living room and still carry on a good conversation. Don't even have to raise my voice. Wow. I'm shocked. Alright, let's put a couple of brad nails through it. Nice, easy connections. as you can see, it keeps up, but doesn't build up past. Which, fine for me, as long as it keeps up. And if you have noticed, it does sound kind of loud on the video, but in person it is much quieter because the microphone on the camera is picking up way more than is actually being produced, it seems like. Anyway, if I had a chance to buy this thing again, if this ever broke, heck yeah, I'd buy it again for sure. Thanks for watching.